welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Glove Collaborative shipment for this month. I didn't get too much. I just got a couple of things. I want to try out some new items. I already had a lot of cleaning products, so I chose some other items this time, so I want to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the video. This is the box that it came in. I got it maybe about 2 days ago. So I'm going to start taking stuff out of the box. And the first item that I pull out is this Meyers body lotion. It is a long-lasting, moisturizing. It has shea butter in it. You get 15.5 fluid ounces. So it's a pretty good size. I saw this on the website and I want to try it out. It comes in the basil scent. So I will be trying that out and probably letting you guys know how I like it and some of the other items that I have gotten from this company. And the next item is a wrinkle release treatment. It's unscented. So it comes with I'm gonna take it out the packaging so you guys can get a good look at it. So here it is. It is from Real Simple Clean No Iron Wrinkle Release Treatment. Like I said, it's unscented. You get at least 16 fluid ounces. And I want to try this out because I'm not one for ironing. So I want to give it a try. It comes with a little spray nozzle here. Just insert that inside that. So I'm going to give that a try too. Like I said, they had a lot of items that I hadn't tried before, so I just wanted to give them a try and see how they work, because I usually just order like cleaning products, but I want to get some different stuff. Now this here is a dish soap. It is the, what is that, the lemon verbena, and I really like this fragrance here, so I got another one of those. And then the very last item is some witch hazel toner, and it's in the cucumber fragrance. So I haven't tried these. I do have another toner that I use all the time, but like I said, I was going through their website and they just have so many other products besides the cleaning products, so I just wanted to give them a try. So I chose this toner here to see how it works, and I'm gonna open it up. I want to see how it smells. So and you know what, guys, it actually, finally got it open. It actually smells like cucumbers, so it has a cucumber scent to it. So I'm gonna give that a try. That was the last item, guys. Like I said, I didn't get too much, but what I did get, I want to share it with you guys. And maybe I'll do a review video of some of the items that I've gotten previously that wasn't cleaning products. Just some of them that I want to try out. So yeah, guys, that was the last item. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was short, but I want to share with you some of the items that I got from my Glove Collaborative shipment this month. So if you would like to see a review video of some of the items that I featured in this video or previous videos, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below, and I'll be glad to get that out for you guys. Share, comment, most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.